We're inside DLF Phase 1 as the location has arrived. I'll take you inside the property. Let me just showcase you the elevation. How does the property look like? We're standing on a 12-meter road. Come. Aye, Sonam. This is the stilt parking area of the property, which has a security guard here who is actually looking after the security of the complete property, which is meant here. भाई ये आपका एक पार्किंग एरिया है, मर्सिडीज वहाँ पर पार्कड है, यहाँ पर भी आपकी गाड़ी पार्क होगी, इधर में भी आपकी गाड़ी पार्क होगी, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ये पूरा पार्किंग स्पेस है. दिस इज द पार्किंग स्पेस. लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू समथिंग लिटिल टू इट एक्स्ट्रा व्हिच इज एडेड. ये आपका एक छोटा सा रिसेप्शन, ये आपका एक छोटा सा रिसेप्शन बनाया हुआ है. दिस इज कंट्रोल्ड विद द सीसीटीवी सर्वेलेंस. ये पूरा का पूरा यहाँ से मॉनिटर होता है, who's coming, who's going out, because this complete property has the cameras. If you see on the front, if you see on the left, back, सब कैमरा से controlled है. This is a CCTV controlled property. Now, the first phase of frisking is the door. The second is the security guard. The third comes this lock. This is a complete channel which is gonna get locked by the biometrics, and you cannot open this as in a regular door. There is a button inside. Somebody would give a command from the other hand, then only you'll be able to open the door. So again, यहाँ पर एक अच्छा सा डिजाइन इन्होंने दे दिया, which is pretty much good. यहाँ पर सोनम हमारे साथ में है. ये जो स्पेस है सोनम, ये सिलेंडर्स का है मेरे हिसाब से.
जी सर, जी बिल्कुल.
अच्छा, ये सिलेंडर्स का है.
We have this extra space for the cylinders. You keep the cylinders here and the pipes will go up till your kitchen. Please come.
So what she said is कि cylinders जो हैं इनका पाइप ऑलरेडी ऊपर कनेक्टेड है within the walls, within the it is encrypted inside. So cylinders यहाँ पर लगे हुए हैं, आपको ऊपर ले जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपका ऊपर में गैस चालू हो रहा है. This is the area which you'll get if you buy an upper. This is the area that you'll get with this floor, as in it's a complimentary. That's all, I mean, I have to explain. This also has a washroom. This is the complete area that you can utilize as per your convenience. Again, we have got 2 CCTV cameras, one in that corner, another one on this corner.
And the bar grills.
As the safety grills as well, yes. So that's the washroom of the property. यहाँ थोड़ा सा काम चल रहा था, कारपेंटर का थोड़ा सा सामान रखा हुआ है. This will be removed and यहाँ पर आप अपना एक चैनल लगा देंगे.
ये पूरा.
तो ये आपका नॉन स्टॉपेबल जोन, एक स्टॉपेबल जोन हो जाएगा. इधर किसी का आना जाना वर्जित रहेगा, इधर की तरफ से. This is the channel place. You create your own channel, you make it the way you want to. This is it. If you buy this property, I guess you'll be the happiest person around, because none other than anything, you're in DLF Phase 1, very well connected to the transportation system. You're very well connected to the schools here, the institutions and financial organizations as well. My name is Anupam and I am from Gurugram Estate Private Limited. We are inside DLF Phase 1 today. This is a plot size of 500 square yards, which has a 4 BHK, plus drawing, plus dining, plus hall, kitchen. And I am going to take you through the complete tour of this presentation. Come along with me. So, we have a new guest with us. This is my colleague. She works at Gurugram Estate. Please introduce yourself to our viewers who are watching us. Please.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam. I recently joined this company, Gurugram Estate Private Limited. We are here to show you this property. Please come with us.
So this is the drawing section of the property. This is the drawing section. Now when I talk about the drawing section of this property, you probably can utilize this space as per your own convenience. You've got an L-shaped sofa. इधर लगाइए आप, इधर लगाइए, पूरे में आप अच्छे से डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. When somebody buys this kind of a property, that person also hires a designer as well for the aesthetics. Now to take you more about this, ये बहुत अच्छा इसमें एक स्पेस दिया हुआ है. This is a huge space. The best part is कि इसके अंदर Italian surface use करा है. On the surface you've got Italian Havells के इन्होंने फैन वगैरह दिए हुए हैं, Daikin air conditioners हैं, which are pre-installed. Moving further, Sonam would showcase you the aesthetics of the property, which are basically in the front of the house. Please, Sonam.
So with this drawing room, you have a big window. You can open it, and there is a fountain. As of now, it's not operational, but once you come here, I promise it will definitely be operational.
Now we're standing at the entrance of the property. That's my balcony space that I can use it as. Lekin the balcony stands on the left hand side. This is a door size window. It's a huge UPVC. You need to slide it like this. You drag kar sakte ho, you can lock it. And if you want to open it, again, it's too easy to open it. One on the left and another one on the right. This is the fountain. Once we give you the handover of this property, this would be operational. For time being, it's kept without water.
So on the left, you have this balcony. Please come. Wow. It's a very spacious balcony. You can sit here in the evening, have some tea with your friends and family, and have a great time.
Even if you talk about the balcony size, this is no less than a room size of a master bedroom. And इधर में plants वगैरह सारे रखे गए हैं काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से. This is the, it's an artificial grass, which is quite a good quality का grass है. You've got money plant, you've got, there are like so many of them. And when you talk about the surroundings of this property as well from the front, एक बारी थोड़ा सा surroundings दिखा दो हमारे viewers को. How does the surrounding looks like? And then this is the passage area of the property. Sonam, एक बारी दिखाओ please.
So this is the passage, and you have this mesh window also. You can close it, and the mosquitoes will not come in.
Even the mosquitoes are not gonna enter inside the property. The best part is if you're sitting in the evening hours and if your family is sitting inside, even though you've got this mesh door which has a soft sliding touch, and probably you can breathe the pure oxygen as well. So we'll go to the first bedroom, which is just attached with this passage area, which is attached with the balcony as well. Now this is the one of the first bedrooms of the property that we can say. ये कोई एक पहला bedroom है, which has a wooden
flooring, an AC with it, and a washroom with a closet.
Door size window, but this window is frozen. This is not something that you can move in. There is another glass door, which is again a UPVC door, which the developer has given. इसको आप खोल सकते हो इधर से. You can get off to the balcony area and you can utilize it to the fullest. And this is the closet area.
So you have this personal washroom for your bedroom. All the products which has been used are of premium quality. Vedika is the brand's name. You have a separate section for shower. And all the fittings and everything, the products are all premium quality.
This was the first bedroom that we have covered. We'll again move inside the common space of the property. This is the powder room. If somebody as a guest is coming inside your property, then he would go inside and he would freshen up. और ये आपके personalization को बिल्कुल भी hurt नहीं करता, ना touch करता है. This is the powder room. Witra के यहाँ पर products वगैरह utilize करे हैं, Grohe के taps हैं. And you've got a wall-mounted seat by Witra again. This is a small, cozy powder room. This has an exhaust fan and everything. Where every woman has to be. Please.
So in front of the entrance, you have this little space for your temple. You can arrange everything here. And next to it, we have this kitchen. Please come inside.
So that's अच्छी क्वालिटी का दरवाजा लगाया हुआ है इधर.
And this is a huge size kitchen which has
indefinite space left at this area, which you can utilize it as an,
anything that you want to utilize it. ये basically
So we have the gas section and the chimney. So both of them are of Faber brand that is very known. We have an AC too in the kitchen.
Now that's the kind of quality that the developer has given. It's Luxe. This is a Spanish brand. ये स्पेन की क्वालिटी है, पूरा स्पेन से ही ये इम्पोर्ट होता है. Probably एक बार ये शोरूम ये भी दिखा
So
दो
you
आप.
have a lot of space for your kitchen amenities. All the shelves are there, stainless, very good quality.
This is by Stallion. This is the product by Stallion.
Stallion is the company's name.
Yeah, let's cover up this one as well. So that's the place to keep your cutlery, your space to keep peppers, grains, salt. Whatever. You can just think about it. It's a very nice. The best part, it goes within by its own self. So that's the place. We have got the stainless steel wash sink. ये बेसिकली एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का बना हुआ है. यहाँ पर आप अपना रख सकते हैं, बर्तन धो के इधर सुखा सकते हैं. क्वालिटी इज गुड. नाउ दिस इज द प्लेस एट द बैक wherein you've got the balcony which has the air conditioners installed. एक यहाँ पर AC लगा हुआ है, इसका एक्सटर्नल बार लगा हुआ है, गीजर लगा हुआ है आपका. प्लस you've got the stabilizers as well. इधर में स्टेबलाइजर्स लगाए हुए ब्लू गार्ड का, विच इज अ गुड कंपनी बाय द वे. और ये आपका वाटर गीजर है. एंड अगेन यू गॉट अ यूपीवीसी दिस साइड. सो सोनम, टेक देम थ्रू द नेक्स्ट फेज विच इज द अनदर बेडरूम. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शो देम this indefinite space which is there at the back. कम. इधर भी इन्होंने एक अच्छा टच दिया हुआ है पत्थर का. So this is anti-skid again. The best part is this which you've got. ये जो marble है यहाँ पर, ये आपका granite है and this is a stain-free marble. Please come. Moving to the very basics of the property, Sonam will take you to the another bedroom of the property. Please, Sonam.
So we have a dining space here.
This is the dining space.
The flooring is done according to the need.
This is a wooden flooring. There is a textured paint on the wall. You've got a edge shape hampered, fall ceiling. पंखा लगाया हुआ अच्छी क्वालिटी का. ठीक है, ज़्यादा अच्छा भी नहीं कह सकते बिकॉज क्वालिटी बाहर हेवल्स है, इधर स्टैंडर्ड है. So थोड़ा सा इन्होंने अंदर में हल्का कर दिया है. नाउ ये वाला पूरा का पूरा डिज़ाइन एक बार इनको दिखाओ भाई, फॉल सीलिंग का कैसा डिज़ाइन है. ये जो लाइट है ये आपकी आंखों में चुभेगी नहीं. Sonam, I'm so sorry. We'll cover up the bedroom now. Sonam, we're just waiting for us. Please come.
So this is the second bedroom. You have a separate balcony to it and a washroom. Let's get inside the washroom. So all the products which has been used in this house are of this Vitra brand that is very well known. You have a showering space here and a washroom there.
So probably this again has a door. This is going to be the push and pull door. This is not a sliding one, so this is going to stay put here. And that's the partition space of the shower area where the water doesn't flow the other side.
And you also get a like 3 wardrobe, 2 wardrobe, big wardrobes for yourself.
इसमें अगर सेंसर होता तो थोड़ा और अच्छा रहता. This is the attention light for a man or a woman to get dressed. भाई इन्होंने ये स्पेस को बहुत अच्छा दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, है ना? This is very nice. वैसे अच्छा भी है, सेंसर नहीं है क्योंकि आज की डेट में कई बार सेंसर्स खराब भी हो जाते हैं. So this is something natural and beautiful.
Yes.
Please.
So every room has the same false ceiling design. There is an LED panel embossed at the corners. This again has a balcony to it. This is the balcony space. As usual, as I discussed before, this is the external AC space which has been hanged. ये आपका geysers वगैरह यहाँ पर लगाए हुए हैं. You've got a water tap and this is pre-installed. When you move inside the property, you don't have to bring the hammer. You don't have the tension to call the plumber. You don't have the tension to call the electrician. Is again the third bedroom. I'm sorry. Now, Sonam, थोड़ा सा explain करो.
So this is the third bedroom we have in this house. Same, the AC is there. The tiles are in quality. The tiles which has been used in this home is good.
In the third bedroom, when I talk about, this is an Italian surface. This is an Italian flooring. आपके 3 bedrooms में they have simplified it with the wooden flooring. In the third bedroom, this one, which is the third one, this has an Italian flooring and you've got an air conditioner unit fixed there. This is the balcony space at the back. It's a huge balcony space that I can foresee because you've got plants, you've got trees. Towards the back side of the property, don't be a little more, don't think about it because it's a plot which is going to come in the near future. So you've got the security precautions taken before when we just gave the possession of the property already. This is the Daikin AC again. पूरे घर के अंदर Daikin के AC हैं. ये externals वगैरह hang करे हुए हैं. Look at the work. यहाँ पर आपका voltage stabilizers भी दिए हुए हैं. This is again a water drainage system. This is again a tap here. और अच्छा खासा है. पत्थर अच्छा लगाया हुआ है इधर. थोड़ा सा अगर चाहते हैं आप लोग तो इधर से भी कवर करा सकते हैं in the near future if you want. भाई पंखों में थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं. 12 इंच का ये दिया हुआ है रॉड के साथ पंखा. अगेन इट्स गुड. ठीक है. यहाँ पर मैं आपका एम्बियंस लाइट दिया हुआ है which is not gonna hit your ears. So we'll get inside the fourth bedroom. Last but not the least, let's cover it up to the quickest possible. This is the fourth bedroom. This has a wooden flooring. You've got the hedges. Edges वगैरह सारे hampered हैं इसके. Again the same fan. सोनम एक बारी washroom दिखा दो please.
Yes. So this is your fourth washroom. It has a cupboard space. So 3 cupboards are there. Your washroom area. 3 more cupboards on this side. Your showering section and your washroom. It is a really spacious washroom.
Because this is the master bedroom of the property.
Right.
So let's reiterate once what we've shown you today. This is, last but not the least, I need to mention you, we've got security systems on the left, on my right hand side where Sonam is standing. This security system is by Godrej. So you can probably activate it, you can operate it. This also has a synchronization with Alexa. So any command that you give within the premises, it will gonna determine and this is gonna connect you. Now we've got another one wherein you can see the image of the person who's coming down to the property. So, see, I'm not very tech savvy. This is probably okay. This is coming here. We can showcase the image. Now, let's wind it up. I am gonna reiterate the complete summarization of this property. This is a 500 square yard plot. We are inside DLF phase 1. This is a 4 BHK plus dining plus drawing plus hall kitchen. This is a property which has a fountain with it as an aesthetics. To wind up, I would thank you so very much for actually watching us. Keep watching us the way you've shown your love, you've showered it on us. And this was Anupam from Gurugram Estate Private Limited. One thing before I give it an end, we're looking for good people who are willing to work with us. The number is listed above and beneath the video as well. So somebody who's looking for a job in real estate, please approach us. please get connected with us. And for our customers who are looking forward to purchase this property or to view the property, we'll be there right for you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be there round the clock, 24/7, 365 days a year. Thank you so very much.
Thank you
This
so
was
much.
Anupam. Thank you.
And do subscribe our channel if you
Thank
don't
you.
miss